It's a toy that she just loves. Get it, chicken. Get it. Get that chicken. Get it. You went crazy before. You couldn't stand this thing. Here. Get it, chicken. Get it. Get it. Get it, chicken. Get your toy. Get that toy. She hates the sound of them little balls, though. Get it, chicken. Get it. Get that chicken. Get that toy. Hey, we want to thank all of our new subscribers. Thank you, guys. We were so excited when we seen that. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And if Chicken could say it, she would. Wouldn't you, sweetie? When you say thank you and say subscribe, say thank you. Say, I'm too cute. Isn't that right, Chicken? You say, what? Yeah. And that's about the extent of it. We're trying to say, what's up? What's up? What's up? Love you. Love you, Chicken. Okay. So we're going to get today is a what? And I've been working hard every day to get her to say more than what. You better believe that. But thank you so much for subscribing. We love it that you guys watch our videos. Because we're not doing anything special. We're just living our life day to day. But thank you so much. Say bye. Uh-oh. Almost fell, huh, little baby? We don't want that to happen, do we? Bye. See ya. Are you going to say subscribe? Say look away, look away. Thank you for subscribing.